Good morning. Thank you for joining me. This is Miranda Wright. I just want to inform you that I've been posting about this event by Dean Graziosi and Tony Robbins for a little while now. And I haven't been putting my affiliate link because I've been wanting people to reach out to me and comment that they actually want access to this free one-time only live training from Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, and Russell Brunson. And that's because I want to show you my webinar first. And the reason for that is because I have some bonuses to you if you attend Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, and Russell Brunson's free training webinar. On the webinar, they will be training you, of course, but they'll also be showing what they've launched, okay? And if you choose to purchase what they've launched, that's going to further help you. I have a lot of free bonuses that I want to give you for purchasing through my affiliate link. Does that make sense? So I have a YouTube video on that, that tells you a little bit extra about the mastermind event. But check it out for yourself. The link is down below underneath this video. That's all I can share right now because this is top secret, this launch. So check out the free training webinar. It is a one-time only live event happening on the 30th of this month. So it will never be offered again. And on that free training webinar, you will be offered something that they've launched, okay, that they're launching on that day, So never before seen. You can imagine how much value is packed into that. If you know who Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, and Russell Brunson is and what they've achieved separately, combining the superpowers of all three of those people together to create something that's going to revolutionize the online learning space and also the mastermind space and workshop space, any sort of course that someone wants to run to teach other people what they know, okay, the knowledge that they already have to create impact for the world and to create a profit. Does that make sense? So this will help those people. Go ahead and check out my other YouTube video about the event, or just go straight to the link down below and check it out for yourself. That will take you to the information of how you can get to the mastermind. But I do want you to attend my webinar as well separately. So I do need you to comment down below so you can attend my webinar first before this webinar is presented on the 30th of April. Does that make sense? So I need you to comment down below under this video that you are interested in attending my webinar so that you can get access to my bonuses. If you choose to accept the launch product, which I know you will, from Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, and Russell Brunson. I hope that makes sense to you. All right. Thank you for joining me. I'm Miranda Wright. I hope you had a lovely Easter. Let's watch this video together from Dean Graziosi.
Think and Grow Rich, one of the best-selling books in history, in the world, written in 1937 by Napoleon Hill, contracted by Andrew Carnegie, who at the time was the richest man in the world. He said, go spend a decade figuring out what real success means. But did you know this? There's 2 sentences in this book that have literally created a $355 million a day industry, and Forbes just said it's on its way to $1 billion a day. And guess what? It's time you become a part of it. If you're looking for another level of income, of impact, of legacy, then you're going to want to click the link on this page and join my dear friend and I, Tony Robbins. Yes, Tony and I are going live. First time he's done something like this for over 10 years. We're going to pull back the curtain and show you how to get paid for a skill, for an expertise, for a hobby, for a passion that you have, make an impact, solve a problem, and get paid to do it, or even get paid for what other people know. But this is live and you're going to miss it if you don't hurry up and reserve a spot right now. Click the link on this page.
Again, when you attend this workshop that they're talking about, not workshop, this webinar, online training webinar, one time only on the 30th of April. When you attend this webinar of Dean Graziosi and Tony Robbins and Russell Brunson, and you choose to purchase what they're offering with what they're launching, I want you to accept some free bonuses from me for clicking on through this link down below and attending the mastermind and purchasing what they're offering. Okay, I want to offer you some free bonuses. So I need you to comment that you want to attend my webinar as well. Okay, so you can see what bonuses you're going to be offered. Does that make sense? So go ahead, click down below, check out the webinar that they are offering, Dean Graziosi, Tony Robbins, and Russell Brunson. Check that out, sign up for it. And also you need to watch my webinar. So I need you to comment, Miranda, let me into the webinar. So I know you want to attend my webinar and accept the free bonuses that I am offering just for purchasing through my link. Does that make sense? Okay, thank you. Bye for now.